Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to capture an iconic drone shot. One of the simplest, yet most powerful shots is called the DRONIE shot. It will set the scene and let your visitors marvel at your surroundings. People often speed up the middle of the footage to give it a more dramatic effect. When capturing your drone footage, keep movement slow and gentle. Speed up the footage in Premiere or Final Cut. You can also use the DRONIE shot for real estate. It can add more flair to your listing video and show the surroundings in a unique way. The drone shot is especially powerful for high-end listings on hillsides or near beaches. You can also keep the audience's attention by editing your footage to play in reverse. Getting the DRONIE shot is very easy. Simply face the drone's camera towards you and fly backwards by holding the right joystick down. You can also have the drone climb at the same time and pan the camera slowly.